Guys, what is up? Welcome back for our next episode of Animals Under Fire. My name is Garmezy, glass artist, and I have got a really special episode for you today. It is the baby Mandarin dragon. This piece is absolutely gorgeous. A ton of work went into this piece. About 2 to 3 times the amount that I normally put into these dragon sculptures. I'm talking all 4 legs and arms. I'm talking tail details, pupil, teeth, talons, wings, and of course just assembling the whole thing. So I wanted to do something really special for this video, and I haven't shown kind of like the entire process yet. So this video is an hour long. That's right, 1 whole hour. This is like a movie without cool sound effects or explosions or attractive people. But it's a movie and you're gonna enjoy it. So sit back, relax, pour yourself a cold one. You might need a 6-pack for this, and enjoy the Mandarin dragon being made. Roll it! It's not good. It's not good, don't have any. Don't have any.
Don't eat it.